ba sabi ko kay Jello, iwas na ako. Parang ako na yung bibigay para kami na. Tapos ayaw niya. Tapos sabi niya, Grace naman, bakit naman ganyan, ganyan. Anong magandang gawin? Umiwas na ako or...
Alam mo, Beth, it's not really up to me.
Pero ikaw, hindi, I mean, you're my
Pero
friend.
ako-
You're my friend. I'm
Hindi.
asking for your...
Ako kasi, Beth, hanggang comment lang ako, hanggang
I
suggestion lang
mean,
ako.
I mean, there
Iba yung nararamdaman.
Hanggang
Oh, yun
Oo
lang.
nga.
But being a friend of mine, gusto ko
Friend of yours?
Kung bibigyan mo ako ng opinion, hindi ko ibabad or like, hindi ko siya
Kasi-
negative positive. Gusto ko
Actually,
lang, bilang nakausap mo
ito
naman
eh.
siya the way her, na nakausap mo
Ito
naman.
nga, this is the first time that I met her, correct? As much as I wanted to parang express. Though, I know, I see the sincerity kasi yung talagang effort, I see the effort talaga. Na
Oh, you're fine.
she really came this far, diba? Batangas to from Batangas to Manila. It's really hard for her, diba? So parang, ano yun eh. Though, a lot of people can do so, diba? Can do what she did. Kasi, for them to make the person realize that they did. Right? Although, this is not the first time that she did that. Pero, I know the sincerity of her person. But I cannot carry
Dad
it kasi,
duty.
you know why? I know kasi na she's not really sincere.
Parang naman mo talaga.
Yung commitment.
Really, nigga?
Kasi even me, I mean, even
It's like that.
she mentioned that she's not ready for me. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya, knowing Grace is very understanding. In Tagalog si Grace, ganyan naman yan, hindi yan. Sabi ko gano'n. Ano siya? Siguro, based
Just
on
like
your
that.
experience, not
Wait.
all
Not
persons
done.
the same. But, I tell
Still not done.
what I said to him, Grace is what she did. Exactly. You can.
Some more romance.
Kasi, you can take it, and you cannot take it as give and take eh. Why? Hindi niya naman kayang ibigay yung pagmamahal na kayang magbibigay. Tama? Sabi ko sa kanya, kung ano lang yung kayang mong ibigay, yun lang din yung kayang ibigay ni Grace. Yan ang sinabi ko kay Grace. So it's up to her if more than that will
Africa.
Kaya sabi niya sa akin, ayoko lang kasi kasi nakagaling ko lang yung breakup, whatever, na ang ano daw is, parang nagdedemand na daw yung girlfriend niya that time na kasi busy siya, nagdedemand na time. Sabi ko, not all person is the same.
That's not it.
Even Grace. She's not the same person as she was. Sabi ko sa kanya. I don't know if natandaan niya yun or whatever. I don't know, pero sinabi ko